What's up everybody, it's Rahman. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your dull photo sweet. Okay, I opened this photo in Photoshop. Now click on this layer and press Ctrl and J button both to copy the layer. I'm going to blur the background. We can select the blur tool and drag over here, but it's not going to work. Select quick selection tool. Select the object what you want to select. If you deselect something, hold Alt button and drag over there to deselect. Wow, our legs. Here we are done. Now click on select and mask. In this place we will done the job properly. Select this tool and drag over the edges to select the edges smoothly. Select this tool to deselect something if you want to do. Just legs again. Sorry. Here we are done. Now selection is selected. Select new layer with layer mask. Look, we just selected our body smoothly. Hold Ctrl button and click over the mask to select her. Now select the second layer and go select, modify, expand. 10 is good. Now go in edit menu, select fill. Now select content hour and click OK. Now see, and boom, she's vanished from the photo. No, she's not. We just selected her. This is the power of Photoshop. Now deselect it. We are going to add blur on the background. Now see what happened when I move the slider left. Photoshop making this selected area blur. I am dragging it down. We need more blur. Yes, it's good. You can add some light bokeh effect if you want. Now it's okay. Look, we just worked on the background, not the women. Now we are going to camera raw filter. I will down the temperature of the photo into -3. highlight is -100. Clarity +5 is good. Vibrance, yes, good. Now we will go in HSL. In this case we will work on aqua and blue color, because they have just aqua and blue colors. I'm increasing purple color saturation because they have purple color on this floor. Now we are going to in camera calibration. In blue primary option we will down the hue a little bit and increase the saturation a little bit. Okay, we are done here. See, we just work on the background but not on her. Now we are going to do color correction of her hair and skin. To select her body, hold Ctrl button and click on this layer mask and select this layer, select this first layer and go into camera raw filter again. To retouch her skin colors, first up the temperature. No, it's looking horrible. We will not do that. Go into HSL menu, go into hue. Our skin color is orange, that's why we are working on this color. I'm increasing red color because this thing is red. I don't know what is this, but it's God's favorite. It maybe looks like a flower, I think. Look, her skin is looking too attractive now when I increase the orange color. No, it's looking like burnt color. +35 is good. No, +43. Oops, I forget to saturate this flower or anything. Sorry girl. I down the yellow color to get a smooth skin tone. Yeah, it's okay for now. Look, this photo is looking too good than before. Now we are not done the work yet. Select those two layers and make it group by pressing Ctrl+G button. Make sure the group layer is selected and press Alt Ctrl Shift and E button together to make that layer what we had worked on this photo from start to now. Select the photo and go into camera raw filter for the last time. Now we are not going to do color correction. We came here to add some gorgeous effects. Go into effects menu, add some vignette effect. Now go into tone curve menu. Make a point here and slide this up until you get your tone. Okay, now select the first layer and go into color lookup from this menu below and select horror blue color. down its opacity. Plus 15 is good for this photo. Select those 3 layers, make another group by pressing Ctrl plus G button. Now look, this is our before dull photo and this is after. How sweet is that? If you like this video, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to make sure you get notified when I will upload a new tutorial. This is MQ Rahman signing out.